So after I posted some pictures online of the roll and score skee ball, when I had first ordered it before I got it in, several people said, when you get it, do a video, because I think a lot of people with this arcade renaissance would like to have a skee ball machine, and this is reasonably priced. This unit runs around $700, which is the cheapest 10-foot skee ball machine you're gonna find. Most of the arcade skee ball machines are, you know, $4,000 to $6,000. But this is a 10-foot table, which is regulation for skee ball. Kind of the only difference is instead of having 3-inch balls, it has a 2.5. Now, the balls that come with this machine out of the box are kind of like racket balls, but they're not very good. So I changed mine out for just these 2.5 inch birch wood balls. They're craft balls. They're about $4 a piece, but they work really good on this. So the table itself for the machine probably took me about 6 hours to put together. So it's definitely a little complicated to get everything together, but it's very solid. I was really surprised at how much real wood and not just MDF or particle board is in there. One thing I will say about the construction is underneath the play field, there's an area that catches the ball, and it has two like wooden, I would say like fences, and that funnels the ball into the return chute. The ones that come in the kit are too short, and if you're using the rubber balls and you score a 20, it'll bounce out and end up on the floor every time. So simple solution for that was just to cut some 1x3s that I had and replace those short fences or rails that come with it with some taller pieces. I also made them each about 1/4 inch longer, and that really helped. That completely solved the problem. But it also helped to go to the heavier wood balls. So you can play 1 or 2 players. You can play against each other. If you play 2 players, player 1 will play, and then player 2 will play. And you'll see in a second, I'll play a couple of games that it has lights and sound, functions just like an arcade skee ball, except of course it's a home unit, so there's no coin slot or ticket printer or anything like that. And this is the Barrington Roll and Score. I got it from Target, but it's available on a bunch of different websites.
Player 1.
I should hit the button to start. That turns it on, and then there's a button that actually starts the game. So
Let's play. Player 1. 20.
So you play again. This time you just hit.
Let's play. Player 1. 20.
pretty much it. So I've had this for a couple of weeks, and so I've been pretty happy with it, especially since switching to the wooden balls makes a huge difference. It makes it feel like the real thing. So anyway, thanks for watching.